Hi, the continuity of the database architecture, storage manager. So the storage manager handle within the huge amount of the data. So the large amount of the data. So you have to connect it with the assessing the data through your application program and queries. So it's responsible for the authentication, transaction manager, file manager, memory manager. Authentication and integrity in a security process. So if your authentication constraints login process, credential process, everything handled by the authentication and integrity manager. Then transaction manager remains in the correctness of the data is can be retrieved and also retrieve the updated data as well as on time. The file manages allocation of the space on the disk storage and data structure to use it to represent the information stored on the disk. For example, if your data storing at the large amount of the data is not be stored or dumped in a particular place, it be arranged in the some order, some techniques in the data structure, linked list, array, stack and queue, whatever it is. Then the techniques or tree is used to allocated in the particular phase to store. If you are want to retrieve the particular data in order, the particular techniques are retrieved to using to retrieve the data. Memory manager is very responsible for retrieving the data from the fetching the data from the disk storage into the main memory. Whenever you want to easily want to retrieve the data, maintaining in the cache in the main memory. Next one is the disk storage. Disk storage is part of the interactive with the several data structure or physical level of storage. It's having the three parts: data files, data dictionary, and index. Data files will be stored data. Data dictionary is a data about the data. It is called as a metadata. It's have the structure of the data can be stored in the inside the disk. Indexes mean everyone know the indexes. For example, if you are taking the book, the data particular data and detailed indexes and the particular page number, so you can easily access the particular topic on the particular time. So that case also used in the indexes can be used in the data storage in disk storage. The particular easily access the data, so mainly used to be fast access the data. Index is mainly used. Next is query process. Very important topic here in the database assessing the data. The very important is query processor. They have the DDL interpreter, DML compiler, query evaluator engineer. DDL interpreter means DDL means data definition language is a interpreter. The interprets the DTL statements and record the definition in the dictionary. So it's the interpret the data. Then data manipulation language DML compiler is a translate the statement into queries language onto the evaluation plan consisting of the low level instruction that the query evaluation in can understand. Interpreter means interpret the different type of queries. Compiler is a translator of the queries. Then have the system can understand and retrieve the particular data. Query evaluation is execute the low level instruction and generated by the DML compiler. So there's a order by the interpret the definitions. Then compiler translate. The evaluation is the combined with the low level language is converted into the evaluation queries. Next is transaction manager. Transaction managers handle the transactions and all the data operations, ensuring that the properties asset properties, atomicity, consistency, durability, and failure recovery. So atomicity mainly means the uniqueness and the consistency, correctness of the data, durability, persistence of the data, failure recovery, data's failure in one case of then can be recovered from the another system, then any crashes occurs.